What's up, Hornets? It's a wonderful Wednesday here at VCHS. We're your hosts. I'm Joe Stockwell.
And I'm Alaina Hickey. Let's start out with today's lunch. Today we will be having a pizza calzone, tossed salad, cucumbers, red peppers, orange, and of course a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
My name's Lane Madison. Here are the top 5 news stories. More than 200,000 gallons of liquid eggs recalled may contain cleaning solution. South Carolina man and 6 children are charged after stealing 200 road signs with plans to sell the signs. Nintendo plans to release the Switch 2 in early June. NFL to use the camera technology to measure first downs in 2025 season. Senator Booker sets record for longest Senate speech in history.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
This week's word of the week is expunge. Erase or remove completely. Something unwanted or unpleasant.
Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence win championships. Michael Jordan.
And now we look of what our cultural day will look like.
Do athletes really know their sport? Let's see if our tennis players know their stuff.
Hello, my name is Nick Neff. I am a varsity player on Valley Center tennis team, and I play doubles with Luke Hoy. "15 Love." Lob. True. Serve. Deuce. False. True. False. First. Or false, sorry.
If you missed out at prom, here's the crowning of our prom king and queens.
It's partly cloudy out. Let's take a look at today's temperatures.
I'm Abram Morris, and today's high is 80 with a low of 50.
And now it's time for a quick blast to the past. We leave you with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.
April 9th, 1865. The American Civil War effectively ends after 4 years and more than 500,000 deaths. Confederate General Robert E. Lee surrenders his forces to Union General Ulysses S. Grant at Appomattox Courthouse, Virginia. 2003. Iraqis celebrate the collapse of Saddam Hussein's regime in the capital, Baghdad. They topple a statue of their longtime dictator just weeks after the U.S.-led invasion of Iraq. 1959. NASA announces the first 7 astronauts for America's space program, a group dubbed the Mercury 7. 1939. In Washington, African-American singer Marian Anderson performs at the Lincoln Memorial. That happens after the Daughters of the American Revolution ban Anderson from singing at their headquarters because of her race. And 2005.
We may grow together in love and peace all the days of our life.
Prince Charles, heir to the British throne, marries his longtime love, Camilla Parker Bowles. She takes the title Duchess of Cornwall and not Princess of Wales, the title held by Charles' first wife, the late Princess Diana. Today in history, April 9th. Sandy Kozel, The Associated Press.